we're tracking the ongoing encounter that is underway in Poonch, but in a big win for our forces. Pakistani terrorist Zia Mustafa was neutralized by forces on day 14 of the Poonch encounter. This comes as a big win for our forces as he's been carrying out terror activities in the valley from the past 14 years. Remember, the ongoing operations have entered day 14 today in Poonch, and Jammu and Kashmir Police has confirmed in a statement that Zia Mustafa, Pakistani Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorist, was taken to Bhata Duria for identification of terrorist hideout during the ongoing operation. He has now been neutralized by our forces, is the big breaking input that we are tracking at this point in time. It has been 14 days already and counting to the ongoing anti-terror operations in Poonch, and in a big win for our forces, Zia Mustafa, Pakistan Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorist, has been gunned down, has been eliminated. Gursimran is tracking that story for us these past few days, is joining us on this broadcast live. Gursimran, tell us about this big win for our forces, day 14 of the ongoing encounter, but what a relief.
See, we have to understand what actually has happened. See, there was a specific input with the intelligence agencies that the terrorist which is hiding in the woods of Mender, he was somewhat associated with the Zia Mustafa, who was inside the jail but was managing the network from there on. He was giving him each and every information, as Zia was the one who has established that hideout in the woods of Mender, so Bhata Duria village of Poonch, and he was guiding him even inside from the jail. He was coordinating with him, and it was Zia who was behind this terrorist who has done the casualties, total number to 9 to the Indian Army in these days of the encounter. And when Zia was taken to that very encounter site to identify the hideout in which the terrorist is hiding, the hiding terrorist opened fire at the security forces, to which security forces also retaliated, and in the ongoing gunfight between the security forces and the terrorists, 2 Jammu Kashmir police jawans and 1 jawan of the Indian Army got injured, and Zia Mustafa, the terrorist of Lashkar-e-Toiba hailing from Pakistan, also got injured in that very crossfire between the terrorist and the security forces. His body could not be retrieved from that very site at that very moment, but when additional reinforcement was sent to that very spot, Zia's dead body has been recovered, and now it is being sent for medico-legal formalities. But very important that it was Zia that was behind this module. Zia was coordinating the movement of the terrorists in the area, and he was directly in connection with one of the terrorists, we are told, and he was managing all the things for the terrorists. But now what has happened is that the Zia has been gunned down. Security forces have zeroed in that hideout in which that terrorist is hiding, and we are hopeful, even security agencies are hopeful, that a final assault will be in coming time. Within a day's time, the operation will go to an advanced stage, even to a final stage.
Absolutely, and that's what we're hoping, that this operation nears its end in no time, because it's been going on for the past 14 days already, and we've lost some of our brave hearts as well. But yes, this is certainly a big win for our forces. The mastermind of what's been going on these past so many days, Zia Mustafa, has been neutralized by our forces. Thank you, Gursimran, for that update.